Something is wrong. Started.
In our previous discussion, we have seen the division of the world, the biosphere, then lithosphere, atmosphere, troposphere, astrosphere, and their interrelation. In our today's discussion, we discuss about the minerals. What are minerals? What are the division of the minerals? The minerals divided into organic, and non-organic. Organic. That means the organic minerals are the result of the fossil remains or the decomposition of plants of animals in a million years ago. The non-organic are which are originated from which has no life or cell from which is not biotic. These ones are biotic plants and animals decomposition of years and million years ago. Now, the origin of these things, these minerals, for example, according to the ancient one, it says what? One from igneous, the second from metamorphic, the third is from hydro. But currently, according to our definition of johannology, we can get minerals also from the space. Therefore, the previous our definition of geology is changed into johannology because geology says it is the science of the earth. But as long as we find out an astromining and lunar mining geology or the minerals, we need to change the ancient Greek definition into johannology. In our today's discussion, the second point what we are going to see is about the formation of the ocean, how the landlocked countries can manage to have their own oceans. For example, let us take this one, this map. In this map, you can find different ports, canals, and so on. For example, in Ethiopia, Ogaden region, from Doma, Welwel, Yakshit, which are the nearest to the Indian Ocean. The most important thing here is the topography and the location on the area. That means the depth of the Indian Ocean is limited from 5,000 up to 6,000 meters. If we come to the Red Sea, we find half kilometer of depth. Now, we need to make our own rift. Rifts are divided into three parts. The first part is called diversional, conventional, and transformer. Now, that means rift means in general breaking. Rift means breaking, or cracking. We crack this area and this area, and we connect these three cities of the Ogaden region with the Indian Ocean. We apply drilling, blasting, underground or cave formation, excavation, and so on. Now, once we break, we know the depth of the ocean. We calculate how many meters we are supposed to go down to the break part of the region. The so-called, some engineers, they say we need to make a barge, to test by barge. That's absolutely wrong. We need first the small boat here, and the water. Then the amount of water when it increases and expands, we can use the barge type of ship. But people randomly they say, but we start from the barge. That's impossible because of what? Hydroeconomy, the manpower, power, geological mapping, logical mapping, and cracking, drilling, horizontal exploration. Then after breaks that area, the Indian Ocean, it is not petroleum. Water moves from the high concentration to the low concentration. The low we drill, we can find the same thing. Above Harbour, we can get a mountain. This mountain must be underground, make a tunnel or a cave formation and penetrate through here. It has to break here. This way of exploration called underground exploration. So, this country has multiple choice. For example, from here, 60 kilometers. Our first thing is, for example, language is equal to 130 kilometers. The width 230, depth 25 meters. We start from what? From the simple to the complex. The other point is why the African miners are suffering by collapsation and dying in the mining of coal and gold. What are the reasons? The major reason is what? Collapsation. The major reason is collapsation. Okay? Deviation. deviation, okay, bending of the borehole or the field. Now, after Mr. X dig here, this unstable soil type or landslide will occur and it reaches to the man who is digging inside the pit. By that time, the man will be suffocated and die there. Trapping, it is electrical. Trapping, someone travels by the cable, handling the cable here, he enters down to the bottom. Unfortunately, the electrical system, when it stops, the man will be trapped here and die. 1 week ago, about 400 mining workers of South Africa passed away. This problem is common in Africa, but what is the solution needed to Africa? The people who are digging the mining sites must use cementation. Each step of cementation or concrete before they go down. Otherwise, they have to study the type of the soil. This is all about the book. It's written in my own book, which is called A Solution for the Landlocked Countries. The landlocked countries. Some another time I'll show you my own book, which I wrote about the landlocked countries, how to solve their problem, how they can travel from Red Sea or Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is 5 times greater than the American state. Therefore, this water is an endless resource. It can reach in every part of Africa. Kenya also can have additional port. For example, Kenya is a map like this, and then Ethiopia. Now, this is the coastal part of Kenya. Northeastern, they can make their own canal here. Therefore, Kenya will have supplementary. The other countries must follow the same thing. The so-called barge system is not existing. Breaking and cracking is the most important factor to make for the landlocked countries to have their own blasting, because according to the Rift Valley, Africa Great Rift Valley information, it is estimated in a million years. That million year, it is not the same as with the calendar what we are using here. It's a geological year. Therefore, no need of waiting for that time. So people, they can have their own panel, port, etc. Thank you for today.